The Tsmine spin mop bucket system is a simple and fun way to clean your floors. The wet spin driver washes just like a washing machine, and your hands will stay clean and dry with the self-washing and wringing action, and really no physical effort is needed. The handle extends up to 61 inches, which is longer than other mops handles. There's no need to bend over to protect your back and waist. The wheels and carrying handle ensure that you carry it easily from room to room. And the basket, wringer, pallet, and handle of the spin mop bucket are made of durable 304 stainless steel and high quality material. It has a cleaning solution dispenser and drainage hole built into the mop bucket. With 180-degree rotation of the mop handle and 360-degree rotation of the mop plate, it allows you to slide even in the most difficult and tightest gaps, such as under furniture and beds. This mop also includes 6 microfiber mop heads, so it will be 1 to 2 years before you would need to buy more. This works great, especially on stubborn stains, cat and dog hair, dust mites, and other pathogenic bacteria. The mop is perfect for cleaning all types of floors. The Tsmine Spin Mop bucket system makes cleaning fun and easy.